People dumber than you are getting rich online, and no, that's not an insult, that's a wake-up call. Because it's not about being smarter, more talented, or even more creative. It's about understanding how this game is actually played in 2025. Right now, right this second, there are high school dropouts, Uber drivers, and completely faceless TikTok accounts making more in a month than most creators make in a year. And here's the part that stings. Most of them don't have your skill. They don't have your audience. They definitely don't have your potential, but they do have one thing you probably don't: a monetization system, a backend, a plan. Meanwhile, you, the person who spent years building an audience, posting consistently, maybe even hitting 10,000, 50,000, 100,000 subs, are stuck depending on brand deals and AdSense scraps. It's backwards. So today I'm gonna show you what's actually happening right now in the digital economy, where all this new money is being printed online. And most importantly, why creators like you who should be winning are falling behind. Let's set the stage. The creator economy is now worth over 250 billion and projected to hit half a trillion by 2027. Brands are dumping billions into creator-led advertising. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram are paying creators directly through ad shares. New tools like Substack, Patreon, Gumroad, Kajabi. They made it easier than ever to build a business from your audience. And now there's a new wave. It's called content rewards. You've probably seen it all over your feed. People talking about how they made 10,000, 20,000, and even 100,000 per month just by clipping content. That's not hype. That's real. But what you're not seeing is why this is happening. It's not just about views, it's about attention, repackaging, and plugging into the new monetization infrastructure being built around creators. Let me show you exactly what I mean with the three biggest opportunities exploding right now. Let's start with the first one, clipping. You've seen it everywhere. People posting short form edits of Iman Ghazi, Hamza, Alex Hormozi, Dean Graziosi, and going viral. But here's what's different in 2025. These aren't just random fans, these are paid clippers. Through programs like Whop content rewards, creators are now giving people permission and even paying them to repurpose their content and earn money based on views. For every 1,000 views, you might earn $1 to $3. That doesn't sound like much until your clip hits 1 million views. That's $1,000, and when you are posting 5 to 10 of these a day, it stacks. The crazy part, you don't need a face, you don't need followers, you don't even need to film anything. You just need to find viral content, cut it up, cut it right, and distribute it with retention editing. That's how clippers are making 10,000, 20,000, and even 30,000 per month without ever stepping in front of a camera. But here's what I want to make clear. If you're a creator getting clipped, but you don't have a product, a funnel, or a lead magnet behind your content, you're just scaling exposure with no income engine. You're going viral, but you're broke. The clippers are winning more than the creators right now because they're plugged into a monetization system. So the lesson here is simple. If people are clipping you, you better be converting that attention into something. Otherwise, you're the billboard for their income, not yours. Let's move to opportunity number 2. And this one's a bit closer to home for creators. UGC content reward. UGC stands for user-generated content, but this isn't some TikTok for fun thing. It's a multi-billion-dollar brand strategy that's exploding right now. Here's how it works. A company, let's say Chipotle or Whop or even tech startup, pays people to make videos about their brand. But instead of paying influencers $10,000 for a single post, they pay everyday people $3, $5 per 1,000 views. You can talk about a product, film your screen, make faceless edits. If it performs, you get paid. People are making thousands per week doing this from scratch, no following. Some creators are even making money just by explaining how to make money, like the guy who made the how to make 20,000 per month clipping video. He was getting paid by Whop just to make that exact video. So this opportunity is real, but here's the problem. Most creators are blind to it. They're still waiting for the brand deals. They're still hoping some company will reach out and offer them a flat fee. But that model is slow, is fragile, and it doesn't scale. The smart move is to use UGC content rewards as a leveraging monetization tool, but only if you have a backend offer, a capture system, email or lead magnet, a way to send cold traffic into paid clients or customers. Without that, you're just making brand awareness videos that make them money, not you. Views without a backend equals wasted potential. The content rewards agency model, where real money is made. Now, here's where it gets serious. The third and final model inside the content rewards ecosystem is the one that makes the real money. It's called the content reward agency model, and it's what separates the side hustlers from the operators. Clipping and UGC are great starting points. You can make a few grand a month, maybe even $10,000 to $20,000 per month if you're elite. But the real bag, it goes to the person managing the ecosystem. Here's how it works. You don't create all the content yourself. You build a team of clippers or UGC creators. You find the brands, you manage the deliverables, you own the relationship, and you make a monthly retainer plus a percentage of performance. If a brand spends spends $10K per month on content rewards, you're pocketing $1,500 just to manage that campaign. And that's per client. This is exactly how Facebook ad agencies scale to 50,000, 100,000, and even 500,000 per month retainers over the past decade. Now it's happening again, but this time with content instead of ads. And right now, almost nobody is doing it at scale. Brands want attention, creators want exposure, but no one knows how to build the system in between. And that's exactly where you come in. So here's the move. If you're a creator with traction, if you got an audience but no real backend, if you're tired of living off platform payouts, brand deals, or getting clipped without a strategy, then it's time to build something real. At Creator Syndicate, we partner with creators like you to build the business behind the brand. You keep creating, we build the systems together. We scale you to 50 to 100K per month and beyond. We don't sell a course, we don't pitch templates, we engineer your backend, build the offer, write the funnel, install the tech, and help close the sales, all done with you or done for you. If you're ready to stop playing small and finally own the upside of your own attention, go to creator-syndicate.io right now, apply for a strategy call. If you're a good fit, we'll walk you through exactly how we build your monetization system and show you where the money's leaking today. But let's be honest, you're already doing the hard part. You're already building the audience. It's time to install the machine behind it. I'll see you on the inside.